Días. Okay, let's see. Today we are going to learn finally the subjunctive with the unknown. I don't know if I say the unknown right, but I mean this unknown, which in Spanish is subjuntivo con lo desconocido. Okay, so let's see. Why we call it the unknown is because it's when we talk about things or people that might not exist, okay? We don't know if it's there, all right? So again, we use subjunctive. So there are three verbs that you're going to use with the unknown, subjunctive with the unknown. Buscar, querer, and necesitar. Now, buscar means to look for or search. Querer is to want, and necesitar it means to need. Okay, and then you apply the same formula. One of these three verbs have to be in present tense, que plus subjunctive, all right? And remember, we have to have the different subject pronouns and then more blah, blah, blah here, all right? So, let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's use busco, buscar. Busco una computadora que sea rosada. So I'm looking for, I'm searching or looking for a computer that wanted to be pink. So because we are not sure if there is any pink computer, you have to use subjunctive because we're not sure, all right? You're searching for something that is pink, but you don't know if that it's such a thing there on the store. Then quiero un avión que tenga cinco ruedas. Cinco ruedas, ruedas means tires. So I'm looking for, I want a plane that have five wheels. So because again, we don't know that it exists, that's why you have to use subjunctive here. So what did it say here? Okay, so also when you ask question, right? For example, later I will come up with a complete sentence. So this is an expression. I que question mark, you have to use subjunctive. Now, I remember means there is or there are. And then conoces que question, right? Subjunctive. And then tienes que subjunctive. All right, so let's go and review this one right here. I que as a question mark subjunctive. So, ¿hay alguien aquí que hable 5 idiomas? Because we are not sure there is in this room someone who speaks 5 languages. That's why we have to use subjunctive because we are asking. That's the reason why we're asking because we don't know it. So you must use subjunctive. The next expression, this one, conoces que. ¿Conoces a alguien que tenga un carro rosado? Again, we are asking. So if we're asking, we don't know the answer. So that's why we ask. So do you know someone who have a pink car? Okay, so again, subjunctive. And tienes un hijo que sea rubio? Do you have a son that is blonde? Because I don't know. That's why I'm asking. I have to use subjunctive. Now, when it comes to the question, to the answer to the question is a little bit different, all right? So we're going back with the expression, ¿hay alguien aquí que hable 5 idiomas? There is one here in this group that speak 5 different languages. If the answer is no, there is no one here who speak 5 languages, then you have to use subjunctive, okay? No hay nadie aquí que hable 5 idiomas, okay? Because that doesn't exist, so it's not. You have to use subjunctive. But if okay. All right. So here it's another question. ¿Conoces a alguien que tenga un carro rosado? So if the answer is yes, right? Yes, sí, conozco a alguien que tiene un carro rosado. Then you have to use present tense. Why? Because exists. Yes, someone has a pink car. So exists, all right? So you have to use present tense. So again, when you're using those expressions, when you're asking a question because you don't know it, you have to use subjunctive. If the answer is no, you have to use subjunctive because that means doesn't exist. But if the answer is yes, that means exists, so you have to use present tense, okay? Now, as a homework, All right, you're not gonna see this in RendWeb, you're not gonna see this in MLS, type it, you're only gonna hear now from this audio. So I want you to write the answers to these three questions in a complete sentence, okay? So give me the answer for these three questions in a complete sentence. And then you're gonna send it to me by email, and I will say this will do tomorrow. Okay? Have a great day, and I hope all of you are doing great. Okay? Talk to you soon. Adios.